You on that dusty with my bitch tryna law. What you thought? Niggas taking losses, but there is not no boss. You triple it up and put the cross right on that nigga. You went to pushing at that nigga with the ending. The ending never mind, crap, I'm on my shit, man. Fuck you thinking he get turned to a witness. Niggas bitches in these systems, what they thinking. Me need glitches, man, need me some incision. I be on it to the end, to the ending. 40 rows, spin a billion with my bitches. Got a block, it's so hot, it's so hot. 40 block on my spot. He talking hot, he talking hot. 40 rows on his block, now he drop.
Talking about murder. Young nigga right now. Young nigga called murder.
What you doing right now?
Pop up on the block with that 30 in the stick hang. Niggas looking nutty, but you niggas know I gangbang. 30 in the clip, all hollows cause they spray, man. And the 223 going through your walls, they bang, fam. Gangbang music, you better check it. Respect nigga get shot down, nigga. I keep a weapon. And I still box with them niggas like Mayweather. Keep it hot, little niggas like Mayweather. It's a new murder, new body, I gotta keep going. New J's, new shoes, I gotta keep going. Real stepper, y'all niggas step for all you, man, pussy ass niggas, y'all all wrong. Got a young bitch sucking, got an old head fucking, but I fuck them at the same time. You ever fuck a bitch and get your balls at the same time? Nigga, it's a murder.
We just do it right now.
Young nigga called murder. Hey, yo.
Let it be play on nigga that first.
Look at this. None of that guy, look.
Alright. Let me talk about some shit.
Talk your shit.
Let me talk some shit, yo. Hey. Alright. I said there's levels to this shit. Different devils in this shit. I'ma get it. Turning up the treble in this shit.
Facts.
Young man, I've been a rebel in this bitch. I'm ballin' no more, alone destiny in this bitch. Forever I'm here, receiving blessings in this bitch. Now I gotta get it, I'm not stressing in this bitch. Knowing that I'm here and learning lessons in this shit. I'm sorry that I slipped up, sometimes the words get messed up. I gotta get it, I promise. If I fumble, pick up, you know I double back, catch the rebound. Okay, we jumping, we out. Okay, we gotta get it. When we smoke, you know that it's loud. It's the mop in the quiet, I'm not smoking the silent, and I'ma get it, talking about my head.
I got my little niggas talking that shit.
I don't really like sleeping. Best believe that my eyes is open when I hit it.
Mr. Fetal position will leave you dead in the trenches. These niggas leaving and missing. We leave them missing for business. Turn them neck on the session. I'm at your necklace for riches. I was down in the binges. On stage fashion with kiddies. I had talked to Satan yesterday. He told me I'm ending. I said, fuck it, man. I spend a pen to get me some money. I was turned up on that dummy shit, but bitch, I ain't hungry. We had got another plate till we back then. Funny, another rack turned to 42, $1 a budget. My bitch say she hold me down if I say that I love her. I was turned up on your session with your chakra on dummy, and y'all can't talk about this shit cause y'all bitches want for nothing, man.
I said, hey, ride around in the bucket. I've been on, I gotta get it, yeah, they saying fuck it. Even if it's long, best believe that she still gon' suck it. Best believe it's like Chris. I said it's like Chris. The way that I tuck it, I've been on, I gotta get it, never exposing in public. Won't say a fucking word, but she know that she loves it.
Well,
I've been on, I gotta get it, I'm off. Cause shit off the
place.
Hey, so that nigga can toast.
And this.
So that nigga can toast. Gang.
Man, hey yo, feeling like Roger, no skeeter, cause ain't shit funny, my dog. Keep the beat, man. Y'all see a nigga mask on, you see the reaper. Death in my eyes, I seen it, and I felt it. Either or, the hospital bed or the streets. Mama left me cold, no heat. Stuck with the beef, trying to cook cattle, but I'm a foreman. He don't even know, dog, I got it all here. See the mind is a weapon, but I don't use it, rather use a real weapon. The tool you decide to do it, get up close and personal. Buck 50 movement, all change like 50 Cent, Nike just do it.
It's the mocker. Pull up on your session with this chopper. We gon' catch another body, opposition. Body man dropping for this session room. I say I might catch him by his mom. I don't fuck room with the opposition. Oh, that's my mom. That's my baby girl. Hello?
Put your pants on. You don't need help. Fix them and do it yourself.
He is still rolling.
Still rolling.
Fuck it.
They see me rolling right now. Yeah, right.
Right now, hey, we still cool.
On the body round.
Nigga, old fat ass nub over there. What the fuck? That nigga dropped 40. I get my bread, I'm gonna drop 30 at least.
That was nice.
Yeah, that was nice.
He wrote that dumbass backwood like that.
Goofy, he could. What you said? Don't think for real, bro. Alright. Don't think for real. Alright, put another beat on.
I don't go first this time.
Alright.
You know what first again? No, I don't go first this time.
Alright, I'll go second. It don't matter. Don't look like it. Hello.
I told her to bring her ass in here.
She's out there.
You didn't know
She's
that.
out there.
I told, but I know you didn't know.
But don't come up here saying it like that then, bro.
No, I'm
No,
my fault. Maybe I said it in the wrong way.
Oh, you did.
But what I'm saying is that I sent her in here because she did.